Starting 2001, their operations. So it's a German company, German engineer, and they set up a factory in China to reduce the price of their products without losing the quality. So it's a German quality with Asian price.
Hi, I'm Steve Plum, Editor-in-Chief of SME Media. We're here today in Greenville at the Manufacturing Technology Series Southeast with Ricardo Lerner, Ricardo Lerner, COO of Preminer USA.
Yes, perfect.
And big news at the show, you announced that you'll start distributing in the U.S.
Yeah, we are using Celtec show to start our operation in the United States, yes.
Well, that's good news. So tell us a little bit about Preminer.
So Preminer is a German company. They are near to Stuttgart in Germany. They were established since they started in 2001, their operations. So it's a German company, German engineer, and they set up a factory in China to reduce the price of their products without losing the quality. So it's a German quality with Asian price. So this is the main quality. They are specialized in 3 and 5 axis machines, only vertical machine centers. So have all sizes from 3 axis and 5 axis. Soon we will launch a line of slant bed lathes too. But from now we have the machine centers here in the show.
Yeah, we see the 5-axis in the background there.
Yeah, we have a full 5-axis there, 500 millimeters table. It's a very rigid concept. So all the customers are coming here, they're very impressed with the machine. They say, oh, this machine should cost a lot more than the price we presented.
So what applications are you focusing? What industries? And are you small to mid?
Yes, mainly for the mold makers, mold and die makers, but also for job shops. Aerospace, oil and gas. We have several machine configurations that can be applied to many different markets.
So what are some of the things you're hearing from not only the attendees here, but customers in general, what they're looking for in this type of equipment?
Yes, the customers, we are having a very good attention for the big machines. We have machines up to 4 meters by 3 meters, full 5 axis. So, and the price is very attractive, and the machine quality is very good. We give a 2 years warranty for parts for all machines we sell, and 1 year service. So this is the main inquiries is for 5 axis and the big machines.
So you're from Brazil.
Yes.
Company's based in Germany.
Yes.
Sell a lot in Asia. We're here in the U.S.
Yeah.
How does it all come together? You know, what does that international mix bring to the company and the product and the service?
Oh, okay. From my side, I'm from Brazil, but I'm a machine distributor in Brazil. I represent many big brands in Brazil as Makino, Nakamura Tomy, Hyundai, and also Preminer. So it gives me the opportunity to know a lot of people around the world, and this networking with good working quality brings us here. And I think that Preminer is a model of what the global mixture of cultures can bring, as the best of this mix can bring to the world, because it's a very nice machine, good quality and good price, and it's possible to help the industry a lot with this mixture.
So what's next? You announced that you're here and ready to distribute. What's next for Preminer in the U.S.?
So now we will be established probably here in Greenville. So we are looking this week for a building. We already have 15 machines in Savannah Port for immediate delivery, but we are looking for our own building here in Greenville this week, probably here or in the area. We already signed with you for 2027 in Dallas and in Celtec again. So we came to do the right job, and this is very serious for us. We already have a few dealers contracted in America. This is very important. All our dealers are very strong service companies. So the idea is that our dealers can be near to our customers and can provide the best service for them. So even in the beginning, we can give a very high quality service for our customers.
All right, well, congratulations.
Thank you very much.